Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the gold market for entire this week, so please pay attention and listen carefully. Um, into this video, we just want to give you some ideas and opinions for your trades, so please pay attention. The first thing you guys need to know is the news that we have in market in this week. So these news are really important for us because this news can push the market, up or down in a second. So we need to pay attention and know when this news, when we have this news to manage our trade. So you guys just need to know, just need to come into this site and set your times in here. And after that, you can see the news that we have here. Actually, we just care about the USD ones and the high impact here. So actually Tuesday we have one news here. Wednesday also we have two news. Thursday one here, and Friday. Actually, Friday is really important for us. So guys, if you want to open any trade, so be careful. And if you guys interested in USD CAD 2, actually Friday is really important for you guys. You guys can open a good position to take a good entry, or you will lose your money. So it's depend on you. So let's back into the gold chart. And as you guys know, and as I told you in my previous video, we just had this low here. So let me just zoom in. We just had this low here, and we just break the low here. So we did break of a structure here, and now our new high is this level of price here, as you guys can see. So we have the high, and actually we don't have the low right now. We have to wait until the price come down to its target, and after that we can see that price want to go for a correction way, actually for a substructure. So maybe we can go for a long. Actually, I recommend you to guys open the short position because the structure is in downtrend, so you have a more chance to win the positions. So as I told you in my previous video, we had this range of price actually here as the first target that we can push the price up here, because this supply zone here, that once price didn't actually react to this one, so this supply zone here become the reversal zone. So the first dimension here actually didn't work, but this one, just as you guys can see, just worked for us. Actually this one is a hidden daily dimension, and the second actually target that price can come and tap into it is this one here. Actually, I really don't like this one, but these three dimension here, as you guys can see, can push the price up very well. But I'm not sure about this one, because we have equal low liquidity under this dimension. So just let's back into this chart right now. And as you guys can see, price just created a supply zone for us here. We also have lots of gap, one gap here, we have a one gap here, we have a gap here, and we also have equal high liquidity. I guess we can see this one here in 4 hour time frame better. So we have the gaps that we guys need to actually pay attention about it. And we also can say that we have a hidden supply zone. If you know, guys, what is the hidden supply zone? So we have a hidden supply zone here. We also have this hidden supply zone here, but I don't actually like to mark this one because my experience. So we have a gap. We also have a gap here. And you guys need to actually pay attention to this gap. So we have 3 gap, 2 supply zone here in a daily time frame, and we just break the structure. So we need to wait until we see the price, is going up, and we say, okay. So for example, here is the daily low, and now price want to go for a substructure. The first target can be this level of price, and the second target can be this level of price. For the substructure. So you guys may go for a long trade after we see, okay, we done the we create the low, daily low, and now price just want to go for a correction week. So right now, price just stuck into this dimension here. The second target can be this dimension, the third target, and all this dimension can be your target, guys. Okay, so just remember these dimensions. And I want to say I really like these two dimensions here. Actually, I'm not sure about this one, as I told you, because this equal low liquidity. So let's back in a 4-hour chart time frame. Sorry, I just need to. Okay, as you guys can see here, right now we're in a 4-hour time frame, and this is the structure in a 4-hour time frame for us. Actually, so this level of price is our high in a 4-hour time frame, and we need to wait to see the low in a 4-hour time frame. Actually, we don't have the low right now. Maybe you can see it tomorrow, or I don't know, someday later. So the current high for us is here, this level of price. As you guys can see, we have also the gaps here, and we have this supply zone here, here, and here, that once we touch it, so the next time this supply zone won't work for us. 80%. So also, as you guys can see, price just come down once tap into this dimension, and after that go up, and again we had just a supply zone here. Again we tap into this supply zone, and this supply zone push the price down for us because we are in a downtrend. The order flow is down, and we have a more short position. So that's the reason this supply zone pushed the price down for us very well. So let me just clean this one. As you guys can see in a 4-hour time frame, if price reject this dimension, the price can come down and target this dimension here. Actually, let's back here and see. Yeah, as you guys can see, this dimension can be the second target for us, and actually we have lots of good dimension in a 4-hour time frame too, so we can mark it for ourselves. One here, one here. Actually, you guys need to be careful about this liquidity, as you guys can see here. So this liquidity can be dangerous. I like to mark this one here, and this dimension here. We have lots of dimension. Actually, we have a huge gap also. Again, we have a huge gap. Huge gap. This is a very good dimension for us. Again, gap, and the last dimension that we have. So we mark the dimensions. Actually, you guys can mark the dimensions in the 4-hour time frame too, as I did. We also can mark this one too. Sorry. We also can mark this one. So I just want to continue these dimensions. Actually, sorry guys. Let me pause the video and fix these things. Okay, I just fixed these dimensions. As we guys in a downtrend, and we, for example, open a short position in a good level of price, for example, in a let me tell you like this. For example, we understand that the low in the daily time frame is here, and price just want to go for substructure. So okay, if we say price reject this one, price come here, price respect to this one, we open a short position in the daily time frame. Actually, let me just go in a daily time frame to explain these things for you. Sorry. This for example, we recognize that we have the daily low here, so we can say if price want to go for substructure, this supply zone can be the first target. This again, and this supply zone can be the second target for us. So one of these supply zones want to push the price down for us. For example, we open a short position here, and this dimension can be the first target. If price, didn't respect to this one, this dimension can be your second target. If price again didn't respect to this dimension, this one can be your third target, like this. Okay, so you guys can use this dimension as your target when you go in a short trade. So let me just clean these things too. If you guys see that price respect to this dimension or one of this one right now, the thing that I have here in my chart, the first level of price that you guys can go for a short is here. Actually, we have a supply zone here, we also have a gap, as you guys can see. So this level of price for you guys for go to short position is really good, and you guys need to see the entry point to go in a short position. Okay, so be careful. And the second target you guys can go for a short target is this supply zone, the third target, and your last target that you guys can go for a short. So you guys just need to be patient and see the entry points, so then you guys can go for a short trade. And if price didn't respect any of these dimensions, price can still come down to reach one of the dimensions that we have here, and price will respect one of these dimensions. Okay, price don't want to reject all of these dimensions here. So you guys need to know the structure right now in the daily time frame, in the 4-hour time frame. You guys need to analyze the liquidities, the gaps, supply zones, the dimensions, and you guys need to know the concepts for the trades. For example, this concept is really good for us, okay, because we have a gap. For example, price fill the gap and just need to some reason to go down. So this supply zone can be a good reason to push the price down. So this concept is really good for short. Only you guys need a good entry point, and it's depend on yourself. So just be careful about the liquidities, gaps, supply zones, dimensions, and structure, and you guys can become a good trader. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a profitable trade. So have a great rest of your day.